Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, share ko lang sa inyo ang tungkol dito sa 10 baht ng Thailand na mayroong halagang 100,000 baht for rare 10 baht coins. A 10 baht coin minted in 1994 and filed to look like it was issued in 1990. Rayong, an antique shop in Rayong province, has ignited a craze on social media by offering 100,000 baht in cash for a rare circulation of the 10 baht coins. Panan Jeweler Shop posted on its Facebook account last week that it is willing to pay 100,000 baht for the rare 10 coins that were minted in 1990. According to the post, millions of 10 baht coins are minted each year, but only 100 10 baht coins were produced in 1990. The post has gone viral on social media, launching a hunt for the rare coins, with other questioning whether the offer is in Yaks. Punawat Seri Ring Wanich, the owner of Panan Jewelry Shop, confirmed that the advertisement is genuine. Speaking on his shop in Rayong's Phuoc Dyeing District yesterday, Mr. Punawat said the coins were minted for a 1990 rare coins exhibition in Canada, meaning that the coins have never been in public in circulation. Only 50 coins made it back to Thailand, Mr. Punawat said, so it is a very rare coin and great interest for a coin collector. Only 5 of these coins have been found, as far as I know. Mr. Punawat, who says he has never personally seen the coins, decided to post the Facebook advertisement after the businessman hired him to find them. Since the posted the ads, so many people have called his shop that he decided to remove the shop's telephone number from the post. Mr. Punawat said, I did not expect that it would be such a massive trend. Mr. Punawat said, my phone almost burned down. He also warned that there have been attempts to alter 10 baht coins issued in 1994 to look like they were issued in 1990 by filing the tail of the number 4 in Thai numeral or Thai numerical. Werawat Sipauya, Deputy Director of the Royal Thai Mint, refused to comment on the claims that only 110 baht coins were made in 1990. It's a public holiday right now, so I cannot check out database, Mr. Werawat said. But in terms of theory, minting only 100 coins is highly improbable. On average, the Royal Thai Mint produces 1 million coins of such type. However, Thai Medal Association Nirandorn Wisitsin confirmed to Kausud that the claim is authentic, as long been known among veteran Thai coin collectors. Mr. Mirandon said the price tag for the 1990s 10 baht coins may sound outrageous to non-collectors, but it is completely normal in the antiques trade. So minted in 1990 guys ang hinanap dito kasi napakarare daw, 100 pieces lang. So sa atin, mayroon itong taon na 2013. Ito yung ating hinahawakan ngayon. At ito yung kanyang features guys. Ang issue nito ay Thailand. King Bhumibol Adulyadej Rama 9, 1946 hanggang 2016. May type siya na standard circulation gawin at ang year naman 2531, 2551, 1988 hanggang 2008 or 2551, 2560, 2008 hanggang 2017. Calendar Thai. Value nito guys sa atin ang 10 baht ay 17 pesos. Currency naman ay baht 1897 ang kanyang date. Composition nito guys ay bimetallic aluminum bronze ang center and copper nickel ring center. 92% ang copper, 6% aluminum, 2% ang nickel ring, 75% ang copper at 25% ang nickel. 8.5 grams lang ito guys yung bigat niya. 26 mm naman ang kanyang diameter. Palaman nito ay 2.15 mm or ang kanyang thickness. Shape, round, technique, mild, orientation, queen alignment, number 22038 and reference number 459, shoe number 627. Ito yung ating reverse guys, ang bust of King Rama the 9 facing left within the circle. Scrape Thai, may lettering siya na Thailand words. Translation Bhumibol Adulyadej Rama 9. Designer Eliezer Westhoff. Ito naman ang ating reverse guys, ang Wat Arun Teamful of Down with Chao Phraya River and the front. Denomination and the braille dots on top and denomination inscriptions bottom. Meron siyang script na braille Thai, lettering Thai words and bridge legend Thai words. Translation Thailand 10 values. 2545 10 baht an edge, segmented reading 5 reads on edge 15 section. Men's Bangkok Thailand 1860 until 2002. Rome Italy 476 ang kanyang date. Comments: a lot of counterfeits exist and are made from 2537 1994 by removing only a little part of the seven. Comments on overs: designer Mr. Watichai Seong Nyon, modeler Mr. Samamum, reverse designer Ms. Phaitun Chiang Mai, Ms. Franny Clark Ho Kwang, modeler Ms. Fanya Kankin. Hirap naman bigkasin ito guys. Ihalaga itong 870 pesos guys sa ating selling online sa EB. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.